How to add Cash App to Apple Pay. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add Cash App to Apple Pay. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This will take you to the home page of the app as you can see here. Here, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, go to the bottom menu and make sure you tap this option here with the card icon. After that, this page will appear where you can see your card details. Next, make sure you scroll down and come to this part of the page. Once you are here, make sure you tap this option here named Add Card to Apple Pay. Sometimes this option may be missing here on your account, but don't worry, I will show you where you can find it. Scroll to the top part of the page just like you can see here. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account, where there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, scroll down and tap this option here named Support. After you tap on it, you will see different categories. You can find solutions for your app, just like you can see here. From those categories, make sure you tap this one here named Apple Pay. You will then see this page where the Cash App is trying to show you the steps you are supposed to take to add Apple Pay. Ignore them and come to this section named Related. Under it, make sure you tap on this option here named Add Cash Card to Apple Pay. Okay, let us proceed. For me, mine appears here, and after tapping on it, this page will appear where you are supposed to enter your card details. So go ahead and do that. After that, tap Next at the top right corner of the screen. This will then appear where you will see the terms and conditions. Make sure you read them carefully, and then if you agree, tap here. Cash App will then start adding the card. Give it a few seconds. The card will then be added. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add Cash App to Apple Pay.